seven, six, five, four, three, two, one.
Hi guys! So, welcome to Miguel's TV. So, right now guys, mag-unbox po siya dun sa isa sa mga gift na natanggap niya nung birthday niya. Okay guys, so stay tuned lang kayo dyan.
Hello guys, so we're gonna unbox this thing that we got from one of my mom's co-workers.
No, it's the doctor.
Oh really, like a doctor, really. So
Okay.
we're gonna unbox it now, so here we go. It's the Looked Class. Let's try and open
It's a
this.
transformer. We don't know guys what's inside, so
Can I get a knife? I need a knife to cut.
so get the knife then.
We don't have
or-
a knife.
No, not knife.
Scissor? Can you get one?
So, one scissor.
Can you get one now? Okay, we got something.
Careful.
There. I cut it off. Okay guys, so we just cut it open. Now we're gonna lift it out.
It says deep cover. It's a transformer.
Um,
Oh, there you go.
look at that.
Okay, one sec. Don't open it. Wait, open it.
Wow.
Wait. Hold it. So, yan po yung natanggap niya. Actually, we thought we're gonna build it. Yeah, we're gonna build it, pero it's almost built na siya, oh. Another transformer collection again for Miguel. See? That's so nice. Okay, get your small scissor then.
Okay.
Yan. So, akala namin ano tong laman neto, guys. So, yan. So, tignan niya. Oh, careful, ha? That's good that it's already built. Actually, is this the first? Yeah. This is his first, transformer. So, yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, ayan yung unang first transformer ni Miguel. See? See, that's a transformer. And, there you go. Nandun siya sa loob. Sino to? This is Bumblebee. Ayan. Matagal tong naka-build na robot. Kaso kasi mahirap kasi siyang i-build ng coach, kaya hinayaan na lang na siyang ganito. Marami din siyang transformer. After we get this one, marami din akong nakuha na transformer characters. Kaso naitago na namin. So one time, we're gonna update you for all his transformer toys. So ito yung nakuha niya ngayon. Wow. So means like you're not gonna build it anymore, no? Because it's already built. That's good.
Take off the legs. Let's put it together. Let's put it together to see how it looks.
I see.
Well, if I even know how to put it together, of course.
Who's this one?
Deep cover. I do not know. Oh,
No, that's not the deep cover. It's
I don't really know.
Cybertron.
Yeah, I'm not good with this.
Who's this car? Is it
Car?
No, this is not Bumblebee. This is who's this set? The blue one? Optimus Prime or no?
Oh, Optimus Prime is a truck.
Oh, it's a truck.
A man's a truck.
So, eto, may isa pa kami dito. Actually, this one is given by one of, yung classmate ko nung college, nung high school, sorry. Nung nag-visit sila galing US. Yan, so that's a transformer talaga. At saka, ang ganda nito kasi, tingnan nyo guys. See? Nagiging ganyan siya, oh. Diba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kukunin ko lahat ng mga transformers niya, tapos i-update namin kayo dun sa mga collections niya to. So there's another one here, and there's the new one.
To build it. I'm trying to build it, but I don't.
Hey guys, so ito nga po, yung mga ibang collections niya na ano, pinakita namin. So yun yung una, yung nakuha niya ngayon. Tapos ito po yung unang-una niyang car. So anyway guys, tapusin na po namin tong video na to. We're gonna update you sa kanyang mga collections of Transformer. And I hope you guys gonna like this video. Don't forget to comment below and also press the notification button para po lagi kayo na-notify sa new vlogs po ni Miguel. And please don't forget to subscribe sa his channel. Okay guys? So anyway, have a good day. Bye!